Hello friends, welcome to Kezang's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a delicious, healthy mustard green dish in Bhutanese style. For this one you need a bunch of green mustard greens, or you can use spinach or any other greens that you prefer to. So just wash up and cut into small pieces, or you can just have it in the sizes that I have. And you need 4 to 5 dried red chilies. You can use green chilies also if you prefer. And you need garlic. You can skip the garlic if you don't like garlic, but since I love garlic, I'm using 5 to 6 cloves garlic. And 3 slices of American cheese. You can use any other cheese also. You need salt. And a little bit of oil. Here I am using avocado oil. In a shallow pan, add your garlics first, then followed by dried chilies. You can leave the seeds if you want it spicy. If not, just remove the seeds while you're washing it. Then add salt as per your taste. Now it's time to add the greens, whichever one you decided to use. It should be rinsed and cut into small pieces like I have, or you can chop into small pieces, doesn't matter. Add like 2 tablespoons of oil as per your preference. Then add your cheese, 3 slices of American cheese or any other choice of cheese that you have decided to use. Feta cheese, brie cheese, it doesn't matter. If you have noticed, friends, I'm not going to add any more water in this one. I'm just covering the lid. The reason I'm not going to add water is because there's a lot of water already in the mustard or the greens that you have just washed. And then when you cook it, the water is going to come out of that greens. So after you cover it, turn on the flame to medium or medium high and cook for like 7 to 8 minutes. And after 7 to 8 minutes, open up the lid. And this is how it should look. Very less water, and just give a nice stir. This is very simple, friends. Like after 7 to 8 minutes, your mustard green cooked in Bhutanese style is almost ready to be served. And just turn off the flame, taste salt, and enjoy, friends. Today I'm going to serve this with rice. You can serve it as side dish or like any choice of your carbs that you prefer to. Happy cooking, friends. Hope you like the recipe, and please don't forget to share, like and subscribe, and please do leave comments. Thank you for watching.